Imagine a planet, long gone, that played a pivotal role in the creation of our moon. But here's where it gets controversial. New research suggests this ancient world, known as Theia, might have formed much closer to the Sun than we ever imagined. Published on November 23, 2025, this groundbreaking study challenges decades-old theories and opens up exciting possibilities for understanding our solar system's early history. For years, scientists have believed that Theia, a Mars-sized planet, collided with the early Earth around 4.5 billion years ago, giving birth to the Moon. This theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, has been a cornerstone of lunar science since the Apollo missions brought back the first moon rocks over 50 years ago. However, Theia's disappearance billions of years ago left researchers with a cosmic mystery. Where did it come from, and what was it made of? And this is the part most people miss. Without direct evidence, scientists have struggled to pinpoint Theia's origins. That is, until now. A collaborative team of astronomers from France, Germany, and the United States has analyzed ancient lunar and terrestrial rocks to trace Theia's birthplace. By examining isotopes, unique chemical fingerprints, of elements like iron, chromium, zirconium, and molybdenum, they've reverse-engineered the conditions under which Theia formed. What makes this research so thrilling is that it not only helps us visualize Earth's early history, but also allows us to pinpoint Theia's origin with remarkable precision, explains Jake Foster, an astronomer at the Royal Observatory Greenwich, UK, who wasn't involved in the study. We're talking about a planet that hasn't existed for 4.5 billion years, yet we can determine where it came from. It's like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. The key lies in the isotopes. Earth and moon rocks share nearly identical metal isotope ratios, making it difficult to distinguish between material from early Earth and Theia. However, the research team modeled hundreds of scenarios, testing various combinations of isotopes to match the signatures found today. Since materials closer to the Sun form under different conditions than those farther out, these isotope patterns act as a cosmic GPS pointing to Theia's likely birthplace in the inner solar system, even closer to the Sun than early Earth. This finding contradicts earlier beliefs that Theia might have formed farther out in the solar system. Is this the final word, or could there be another twist in the tale? The study not only sheds light on the moon's formation, but also offers valuable insights into how planets grow, collide, and evolve in the early stages of a solar system. It's a reminder that even the most well-established theories can be upended by new evidence. As we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, this research invites us to rethink what we know about planetary origins. What other secrets might our solar system hold? And could Theia's story challenge our understanding of other celestial bodies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this discovery will lead to more breakthroughs, or is there still more to uncover about Theia's mysterious past?